What's up, low heat sneaker people? Today I'm going to be reviewing these, giving you the on foot review of these Nike More Era Up Tempos. But first, as a little appetizer, same thing, staying on theme with these shoes, I picked up some low heat from a mall. When's the last time you guys have done that? And it's, yes, Air More Up Tempo 96 in white varsity red. They call these, nicknaming these the Renowned Rhythm colorway, and they retail for $160. And I got these at Foot Locker a bit ago and didn't do a video right away. I should have, but I didn't. I had other shoes to unbox, so go check out those unboxings. So I got these a bit ago, and since then, these have dropped on various retailers. And what are they? As I already read off, and you've seen the title, these are the white red More Air Up Tempos. Are these not fire or what? Let me know right away. Let's do the comments plug. Let me know in the comments what you think about these. All right, that was a little corny. I think these are great, and I saw them on the shelf. I was like, you guys have these actually in stock? They're like, yep, we just got them in. And again, this was a couple months ago. At this point, they're available on Finish Line if you want them. Nike's got a couple smaller sizes. JD Sports, hunt around, just Google. These are available. And even on StockX, I think these are going for a little under retail. Now, of course, if you pay fees and shipping, it's going to be a little bit higher than a retail if you can find them at a retailer. But I think these are dope. These are obviously Bulls colorway, but I like these specifically because these are my school's colorway, University of Wisconsin. Go Badgers. So I think these are dope. I was a kid during this time. I'm wearing the Rodman Stance socks here. I grew up during that time period. And if you want to know my thoughts on these overall, go check out my unboxing video of these. I'll give you more thoughts on these. So I'm not going to repeat myself. Go check out that video. This video is about how the review of these on foot. So if you want to know my thoughts about these as a design, nostalgia, all that, check out that unboxing video. I'll link it at the end of this video. Stick around till then. I would appreciate it. I'd appreciate a subscribe too while you're at it. Okay, so that's that mini unboxing. It was fun to actually pick up a pair at the mall. No one does that anymore, I feel like. At least sneakerheads who are watching videos. Maybe. Let me know what. That's a good comments question. That's a good comments plug. What is the last pair of sneakers you've rolled up to a mall and copped? Not a raffle, not a pickup. Just went into a mall, saw a pair of shoes that you thought were fire, and bought them at the register. Let me know what's your last pair is in the comments. I'd appreciate that. Helps the algorithm and bullshit. Also, I'm getting close to 500 subscribers. So if I get 500 subscribers, a total of one person has asked me to do a collection review. Maybe I'll go over my collection, high heat, low heat, make a couple videos. So yeah, if I get to 500 subscribers, that would be dope. Started this almost a year ago and I'm at over 400 already. So let's keep that train going. Okay, on to what you're here for. I think there are a few other wear review videos out there. I'm not the first, but this is just my own opinion. So I've had these now for a minute. Check out that unboxing video. And I've wore these now 10 plus times at least. And I would say, now I take pretty good care of my shoes for the most part. I don't clean them all the time, but like I'm not hiking in these, right? And they've stood up pretty well. Like because of this soft suede, you're not getting scuffs because they're dark. You're not getting scuffs. I did wear them to a club one night. Got a little dirt mark right there on the swoosh, but no big deal. These are currently going above retail. Those white red ones I said like below. Those white red ones actually came out in 2018. Back when I first started getting back into sneakers. These came out in 2018. And I got them a little, that's why I bring this up again, is because I got them in a size 11. And after a while, I figured out I'm more 11 and a half, 12. And so they were too tight for me. So I returned them back then. And so first thing with sizing, I would go true to size or half size up. These are half size up. These are 12. And I tried these on at the mall. How you used to do that. And I got an 11 and a half, true to size. So either or is fine. I would not go a half size down on these because they're a little stiffer, you know. It's going to be tougher to break in and make more roomy. These, it all really depends. Like everyone's always like half size up, half size down. It really depends on the person, I feel. Unless you're talking about like Yeezys, which all run a full size small, which again, I don't know why they even size them that way at this point. Like just start sizing everything half size up or full size up so they actually make sense. But I think it's personal preference. So like these, for example, plenty of room, not too loose, but just plenty of wiggle room. And my true to size ones, those ones, the white red ones that I tried on, they're just a nice fit. I won't even say snug. They not a snug, they hug your feet. They're not snug, they just hug your feet nicely. So yeah, as I was saying, back to the fit, half size up or true to size, you'll be fine. As far as comfort goes, these, I wouldn't like walk in these all day, but these are fairly, you know, or stand in these all day, but these are fine. I don't have high arches though. I know people with high arches, you know, that's always an issue. So, I mean, these aren't super cushiony. This is pretty stiff for the most part, these air bubbles. But as far as like my foot fitting in these, I think these are fine. They're great to wear to a movie, some events where you're going to be sitting and standing, a couple hour party. I think you'll be fine. But yeah, not walking or standing all day shoes. That's for sure. Onto like styling. As you can see here, I'm wearing shorts, and these definitely go better with pants, in my opinion. Jeans, preferably. I think these go great with blue jeans or any color jeans, really. Sitting on top of the ankle, I think these look dope like that. But you can wear them, obviously, with shorts. These are a bulkier shoe. As I get into in the boxing video, these are like the opposite of my style of shoe. But I would say to anyone who's on the fence, they're like, how do I pull these off? Dude, these are popular right now. And that's not a reason necessarily to buy shoes just because something's popular. But I'm just saying, if you have any, trepidation about, slapping these on the feet, pulling the trigger, I think these are fire, and these are the opposite of anything I usually buy. So I think you can pull it off. It just depends on, you gotta have some confidence while you rock it. I don't like when the letters go all the way to the bottom, but I'm kind of the OG person when it comes to these. I do like the new, I think there's like the sky blue gradient color. Definitely, maybe not intended for, I don't know, it's 2021. Anyone can wear them, but definitely more probably a women's shoe, but I think those look fire on women or whoever wants to rock them. So yeah, I would say, you can wear these with shorts, but I definitely can prefer wearing these with pants. And then, yeah, because these aren't like, what I love about low heat in general, I've said this in other videos, is you don't have to be worried about like getting these dirty, scuffing these. It's not a problem. So that's why I really like these. It's recognizable silhouette, and they look dope, and then you don't have to worry about like taking care of them a lot. I'm gonna step in the sunlight. Hopefully it doesn't get too hot, but that's why I'm in the shade. So I'll show you walking. Here, let's get in the walk towards the sun. There you go. So yeah, worn these a bunch of times so far and have really enjoyed them. Definitely bulkier. So I'd consider that with your outfit. Maybe not wear these with like super skinny jeans or khakis. Depends. I have huge feet too. I think it depends on your foot size, that's one thing. But I'm excited to wear the white red ones. Obviously those will get a little dirtier, but that's why these black ones are great. And I'm not a black shoe guy either, but I've just loved these. I definitely think, you don't want to go too small in these. Nothing hurts around the ankles if anyone's wondering about that. I definitely don't think you probably could hoop in these like truly. I mean, sure, you can chuck up some shots, play some pickup ball, like, once in a while. But like if you're a serious hooper or someone who plays regularly, these are not your basketball shoes, except to maybe wear on court for the memes sometimes, or, get some oohs and ahs from people your age who know about these. So yeah, that is about it. Hit me up with any questions you have in the comments. I'm pretty good about replying to all your comments. Appreciate that. And yeah, I just think I give these a high review, and they're reasonably affordable. These are a little over retail right now if you missed out, but these come back every couple of years. These aren't a signature shoe. I mean, these were like Scottie Pippen was kind of known to be the first to rock these. They weren't his signature shoe per se. They weren't Scottie Pippen's, but they were. They did debut with him. So these will come back around eventually, so don't worry. But you can cop them right now if you want to, because they're not too expensive. Anyways, yeah, stick around. I got more unboxing videos to come. I've picked up some sneaks off StockX, and I might be showing those off. And then I just hit on the Sacai Blazer Lows in black, gray, and white. So I'll be unboxing those for you guys, giving you my review and thoughts on those. So appreciate you watching. One more thing on quality. I know a lot of people ask sometimes about quality and stuff. I mean, it is what it is. These retail for 160 bucks. Like it's, the construction and the quality, it's not amazing. These are general release shoes from Nike, made across the ocean, manufactured across the ocean. If these were better materials and better quality, these would be over, $260 shoes instead of 160. So, construction and quality, not amazing, but, these are not a premium more air up tempo. I don't know if they've ever made a premium air more up tempo. I don't know how like the Supreme, versions of these, if they are like higher quality, but like, yeah, if you're looking for super high quality shoes, these are not it. These are low heat beaters to get at a reasonable price that people recognize and for you to enjoy for their unique look and some nostalgia. So that's why you get these, not for the quality. So there you go.